Alright, now we just rode the glass elevator. Now we're gonna go past AMC here. We're gonna ride the freight elevator. Oh, heavy. Here it is in all its glory. I have. This is a OTIS black button hydraulic freight elevator with PEELLE doors. There's an exit. It's coming up now. Here it comes. Here it is. Look how big this thing is. Yeah. Let's go down and close the door. Go down to 1. Look how huge this thing is.
16 by 8.
6,000 pound capacity. Oh, look at this. Door closed. That's translated German. Translated German. Try holding the door. Go up to 2. Heard the baler going. I'm going my own this time. I'll go my own this time, Dad. Cab view. Typical old department store cab. 6,000 pound capacity. They're your old black button fixtures. Funny how that translated German, Spanish and German. 6,000 pounds. Class A loading. My workplace has those same balers, man. Nice high efficiency LED lighting in here. Looks like it was originally this slate blue until it was painted this turquoise-ish green color, which I appreciate. Close every freight elevator door after every use. Very good advice. Close the door. There she goes, and that's it.